Hey everyone, welcome to another video with Travels with Diamond. I'm Diamond and I'm staying at the Harrah's Resort in Las Vegas. I'm staying in room 55019. And here's my card. I'm gonna open the door. Now the rooms have, you put your key inside to keep the lights on. And here we are. Let's start with the bathroom. So you walk in, it's a nice little bathroom. It's a bit small, but it'll do. We're only here for like 3 nights. There's the sink, a nice mirror, great lighting for selfies. Some artwork. All the towels are down here. There's a blow dryer down here. The shower has a rainfall shower, which is great. And it also comes with shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, which is cool too. The only thing I don't like about the shower is that there's no curtain or door for the rest of the shower. It's just this part right here, which is so weird to me. Because if you take a shower, some water is probably going to get on the floor, but I don't know. And then also behind the shower is where you will find your ironing board, an iron, some hangers, you can hang your clothes. So it's just a little small closet. And then let's go. Here's a mirror right there. Here's the bed. It's actually a nice room. All the decor that they put on the bed that's usually on the bed is gone due to the recent pandemic. So you just get the bare minimums right now, but it's still a nice room. There's lights over here, some artwork. It's really nice. Your phone. There's some outlets right next to the bed, so you can charge your phone. And then also you can turn on and off the lights right here. There's a little stool here for the mirror. You can do your makeup right here. It's pretty cool. And then also there's a safe. There used to be a refrigerator in here, but the lady at the front desk told me that they got rid of it. Again, because of the recent pandemic that's going on right now. So no refrigerator, which is not so great for me because my husband and I went to the store and got some waters and we can't put them in the refrigerator. So I guess later we're going to put some ice in the bucket and then we can just use the ice. Nice flat screen TV, probably like a 55-inch. It's pretty nice. There's a remote. Then also I wanted to tell you guys too, you get this with your card and then you scan it and it lets you know what events and what restaurants are open, what you can do. So make sure when you get this, make sure you scan it with your phone. There's a little desk right here. You can do your work at, workstation. Another little small lamp. Trash can. This weird looking table right here. You can probably eat breakfast in the chair. Currently holding a backpack and my purse. Again, on this side of the bed, there are outlets so you can charge your phone. I don't know if you can see that, but there are outlets here. There's plenty of outlets in here. AC. And the best part of this room, hopefully you guys can see it, is we get a little bit of a strip view. It's kind of hard to see because of the glare. Maybe if I turn off the light. Hold on. Let's see. Yeah, you still barely can see it, but okay, there we go. You can see Caesar's Palace is right here. The link. You can see down here there's like a merry-go-round. There's some restaurants over there you can see. And then down here is the pool that you guys really can't see. You can see it a little bit right there because it's dark. And then you can also see the link. What is this called again? Yeah, brain fart. It's late at night. But you guys know what I'm talking about. It's pretty cool. You can see it light up at night. It changes colors. It's open as well. Like, you can actually go on it, surprisingly. So there you have it. This is the room at Harrah's. Oh, let me zoom out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to be posting more often. I have more videos to come on this Vegas trip. So please like and subscribe. See you later.